in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to fold up a fitted sheet. Yeah, I've done one of these videos a couple of years ago and it did well, so I'm going to update you on how to fold a fitted sheet. There are two ways that you can fold it, or two ways that I fold it. So let's go ahead. This is your fitted sheet. So of course, you know you got four corners. So the one way you can do it is just lay your sheet out. Have all your corners, tuck your sheet in on all four corners. Then you'll have something like this. So as you can see, everything is tucked in. So you take one corner, take this corner, then we're going to take this corner, and we're going to meet those corners. So we're going to do that now. So you just make sure it goes corner to corner. So we got it corner to corner. You have something like this. Then what you want to do next is pull those the two open corners to you. And so as you're pulling it to you, you just straighten everything out. So you got one long sheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold in that one. Got that one folded in. Then we're going to fold that one in. Going to fold again. We're going to fold again. And that's your sheet. Yay! Nice and simple, okay? Let's do the second. This is the second way you can fold your sheet. Lay it out, same way we did the first time. Got your four corners. And how you know you got a corner, you'll see a seam. See that seam right there? Yeah. So look for four seams. Lay it out flat. We're going to start the same way we did the first time. So look for your seams. So got one seam right here. And I'm going to look for my other seam over here to my left. Found two seams. So I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to go under it. See how I got that? And I'm going to find that seam. We're going to meet that seam. We're going to meet that seam. Then we're just going to tuck it under. So now you have it tucked under. Even though it still looks messy, you just make sure your two seams are together. So you got your two seams. Then you just fold that over. Got your two seams together. And you fold that over. So you'll have something like that. Then we can do it the same way we did the other one. Bring this one to you. And just fold. Fold that one in and fold this one in. You can even fold it even more. So you got a nice folded sheet. So that's it. That's how you fold a sheet, two different ways. Let me know in the comment section if you fold your sheet either these ways or if you have any additional ways to fold the sheet. I'm always looking for anything that's helpful. So thank you. This is Mrs Vee. I'm continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.